stop what you're doing, because if you want to get a free $100 from Chime from the referral bonus, you're going to want to make sure to watch till the end of this video, because in today's video I'm going to be teaching you the exact steps in order to do that, as well as teaching you how to get the $200 mandatory deposit for completely free. So that sounds interesting. You're going to make sure to watch till the end. And as you can see, I just logged into Chime, and you can see right here that it tells you that you can get $100 for you and a friend that they refer. And if you guys want to go ahead and get this free $100 from Chime and you want to be my friend, make sure to check out the first link in the description down below. But you can see right here, it just tells you to share your link. And what you guys could go ahead and do is that you could send this to any one of your contacts. For me, I have a bunch of WhatsApp contacts and a bunch of friends from Snapchat, and you could also go ahead and post it on Discord. But what I would recommend doing, and what I think is going to go ahead and work the best for you, is just to hit the copy button and send it to anybody that you want individually. And if you guys didn't know, Chime is actually a really fantastic banking app that allows you not only to do easy banking, but they also allow easy deposits from your work or from your job or from any other bank account that you might have originally. And they also allow you to credit track, and they allow you to build your credit as long as you get this qualifying deposit of at least $200 by a certain period of time. And I know you guys are interested in getting this $200, so you can go ahead and make this deposit. So I'm going to be going ahead and teaching you guys how to make a very, very easy $200 within just the next couple hours, all just from your phone for completely free. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to check out the first link in the description down below and check out Social Oasis. And as you can see, I have it right here on my phone. And if I go ahead and hit the refresh button, you can see that this balance is not a lie. I genuinely have $946 that is right here ready to cash out. And as you guys can see, I have made most of this money just by going on here and completing these super simple offers. So if I go ahead and go to the offer area, you can see I have a bunch of apps that I can go ahead and download and make up to $120. Now, if you guys are going to do any of these app offers, I've personally done about 12 so far just today. You have to make sure that you have to make sure that you follow the instructions to the letter. So if I go ahead and click to start the offer, you can see right here when it loads, which, you know, it can take its sweet time. We can just sit here and take forever. And you can see right here that it takes you to this site directly, and you need to just follow whatever instructions that they give you step by step. So if they tell you to go in and create an account, if they tell you that you need to pay $1 or whatever, then go ahead and do that. But if you guys have an offer that you're not a fan of, you can just exit out of that real quick. And I would not recommend doing any of these offers where it's this game offer, because in reality, you're never going to be able to hit this, and this is just a waste of time for you. But I really like this one, which is FanDuel, which all you have to do is just go ahead and open it. And then you have to type in a specific thing into the App Store, and you got to make sure that you leave this website link open while you're doing the offer. So this is an essential part of this. And then from this, you can make almost $50 super easy, which we can go ahead and refund back into Chime, which then we can get that easy $100 bonus. Another way to make a bunch of easy money with Social Oasis, as you can see, I already have 12 referrals and 24 people have went ahead and clicked. You can just go ahead and take this referral link right here, because you get paid up to $20 per referral, which is an absolute steal in my opinion, because I have not seen a offer bonus this good since in a very, very long time. And if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link down below, then you can get a free $50 upon sign up. I know a problem is that you guys aren't going to have, and I know a problem is that you guys don't have a good place to go ahead and use these referrals, because I know that it's hard to go ahead and get people to do stuff like this. But if you want to know, in my opinion, the greatest place ever to go ahead and get referrals done for completely free is, I would recommend going to the link down below and checking out my Discord. You can see right here, this is my Discord, and we have over 1,500 members of people who are actively looking to go ahead and get as much as they can out of these apps. And if you go ahead and go to the Social Oasis link, you can see right here we have a bunch of people who are in here who are all advertising their own Social Oasis link, and you can go ahead and join them and make some super easy money just from this $20 referral. And all you need to do is just type in this message like you see right here, put in your link, and then type also R for R. And this is basically meaning refer for refer. So this is going to tell people, hey, this person is looking to do a refer, and then you have to go ahead and do a refer for them. So you scratch their back, and their back gets scratched as well. But a problem with this is that obviously you can't notify all 1,500 members of the Discord, and the only way to do that is with an @everyone. And not everybody is allowed to @everyone, only a select number of people are, and they're only allowed to do it in this premium share links chat. As you can see, I've already used this, and this is how I've already made most of my referrals. I've made over $200 just from this directly, and you can see that we have other people in here doing the same. And all you got to do to get access to this chat and have the ability to add everyone is you got to check out my university. So if you go to the link in the description, you can see right here we have Xavier's University, where you get access to this premium share links. And also, I want to teach you in this school how to get literally anything for free. I have all of my Temu methods, which I sell individually for $50. So the price of Xavier's University is an absolute steal. You obviously get the ability to add everyone, and you get 40 plus pages of completely free product methods from 20 different stores. You get methods to get free food from 12 different sites. You get free gift card methods. Actually, we also have free check methods that we just added. On top of that, we have a full cheap Amazon products bot. As you can see right here, the bot is constantly scouring the internet, looking for cheap stuff that you can go ahead and get from Amazon right now today. And as well, we just added this 10-page document on how to get free stuff from Amazon that you can start using right now to make literally hundreds of dollars a week, which we have multiple members from Xavier University that are doing that. So I'd highly recommend you guys go ahead and check it out from the link down below. And as you can see from the runtime, we are approaching the end of the video, but before you click off, I do have one interesting thing for you. If we get 100 subscribers from this video, I will be doing a free $100 Cash App giveaway, and that is actually per 100 subscribers. So if this video gets me 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing 10 different $100 Cash App giveaways to 10 different lucky people in the comments. So all you got to do to go ahead and enter is make sure that you subscribe so we can get as many of these giveaways going as possible, as well as commenting down below your cash tag so I can go ahead and make sure that you are entered for the giveaways. But if this video was interesting at all, I would go ahead and click on one of these videos right here, because I guarantee you it's going to be teaching you the exact free app money method that you're going to want to know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.